The train is noisy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like green with the trees.
You like the green on the trees?
Yes. They're falling down off.
Oh, yes. Phyllis is losing some leaves.
Yes.
They'll grow back. She'll grow new ones.
Yes. That was on the picture.
Yeah? Can you tell me about what you like to do at the park?
I like swings. I like a swing.
Yeah?
I like a slide.
Yeah?
And I go with the park. It's raining. Huh. Gosh! I never see the thunder.
You are too much. What are you doing?
Stop him.
What's your favorite song?
It's kind of funny.
Can you sing it? No, you don't want to sing right now? That's okay.